Hi, welcome to Go Rocky. We're going to do a quick video on how to replace the batteries on your 2, 3, or 4 button Mazda key fob. We're going to do it without any dents or scratches left. The key fob is just the same for the Mazda 3, 6, MX, or CX series. We're going to take out the emergency key first by pinching this slider. I've seen a lot of people use a metal tool, such as a flathead screwdriver, but we're going to use a plastic prying tool, like this Pros kit that I have. You can use alternatively a credit card or any hard plastic that you can find in your house. And I'm pointing to that crevice right there. There's another one on the other side. That's where you insert, that's where most people insert the flathead screwdriver, but we're just going to use my fingernail on my thumb. And what I'm going to do is pinch it with my thumb, my fingernail there, insert it, pull it out, then up. Same thing for the other side. Pull it outwards and up. As you can see, you've already opened it on the other side on both ends. Just simply slide the plastic tool all the way to the other end. Of course, do it for the other end as well, other side. There we go. And simply use your 2 fingers there and pry it open. There we go. That's a spring for the slider for the emergency key. The lithium battery is actually covered with a plastic cap. You can use your fingernails again there. Just going to be using my plastic prying tool. That cap doesn't have any orientation, by the way. And it's using a Panasonic CR2025 right there. We're going to be using a Ansman brand CR2025. And of course, the positive should always face up. Make sure the red rubber gasket is still there. Press it firmly. There we go. And then we're simply going to put it back in. And on the reverse side of the Mazda logo is actually the clip, which is the first thing where you should pinch onto. See my left hand there? I'm pinching on the Mazda logo. Just pinch on the Mazda logo right there, and then pinch on both sides on the other end. Pinch on the Mazda logo. There you go. New batteries. And then test it on your car. And I hope I helped you replace the batteries without any dents and scratches. Thanks for watching.